How to unpin my AI on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can unpin your my AI on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to unpin my AI on Snapchat, it is actually very simple to do so, because all you have to do is first of all open up Snapchat here. When you open up Snapchat, normally you have my AI pin at the very top of your screen. You can remove it by simply long pressing on it and then tapping on chat settings and then selecting clear from chat feed, or you can choose to also unpin the conversation. So depending upon what you want, you can just tap and clear from chat feed, or you can also remove them from your profile feed, or you can tap your profile icon, go to Snapchat Plus, because you need to of course have a Plus subscription to do this. Without a premium subscription you won't be able to do this. And then here you can see my AI. By default it will be pinned, so you want to make sure to unpin it like this to remove them from your pinned list. That's all it takes to unpin my AI on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.